Hello everyone, my name is Edgar, I'm the creator of SnapshotTV, and this is the first time you see me. Hello. Today, my computer broke. That's why there haven't been any videos on the channels. Not that there's anyone to care, but I haven't been able to post anything. That's his computer. Introduce yourself.
My name is Keron, and I am the creator of Ali PC Gaming.
Links are going to be in the description to his channel, as well as the new specs of my computer, which will be in this case.
Oh, and the specs of my computer as well.
That'll be there
on
too,
my channel. Also.
Will be on his channel.
Yeah.
So if you want to look at the specs of his computer right there, you can go on his channel. Links in the description. He does Call of Duty commentary and Crisis and RuneScape and all that other stuff. And now we're gonna cut to a part of us describing all the parts that I got for this build.
Right here, Edgar's brother bought him a Phenom II X6 1045T by AMD, 6 cores and 2.7 GHz operating speed. So as you can see right here, we have an HD 5450 with passive heating, passive cooling system, and right next to it, right here, we have some Arctic Silver 5 thermal grease, best money can buy. As you can see, Edgar has 8 gigabytes, 2 cases, of Corsair DDR3 RAM. Right here we have an Antec 25 EarthWatts power supply unit, green color. Supports SLI, 80 plus certified. And we move on to his motherboard. This is Edgar's new motherboard. It's an Asus M5A78 something micro ATX board. Supports up to 8 gigs of RAM. Comes in a nice black and blue color. You can see heat sinks. It's very good build quality because it's from Asus. I really love Asus motherboards. And since this is a budget-friendly build, my friend here is going to be reusing his old HP case.
Here's the old power supply from the old case, which is going around everywhere. Come on, Keron, get it out. There it is. That's
Usually
the old,
they tell me the opposite.
That's the old power supply. Right there. 300 watts from HP. The board that Keron tried to give me so that I can actually use the internet. It is a 1-core, 1 gigabyte thingy. It's really terrible, but it's...
No, it's not. AMD Athlon 64-bit processor, single core, but it's pretty damn reliable.
Except it didn't work. So, yeah, it's not very reliable if it doesn't work. RAM installed. And new motherboard in the case, alright. Power supply and wire management frickin' sucks.
Yeah.
HD 5450 inside, right in.
And look at the comparison. Whoa.
Shut up.
Wireless card installed. Alright guys, so we've already set up the PC. All that's left is the Phenom 2. Now, Edgar's coming from the Phenom first generation, so this is going to be a pretty massive upgrade for him. So, let's open the box. Let's see what's inside. Now, of course, the processor with a very nice little sticker, so Edgar can add to his case. So, we've got a little instruction manual. Don't need that though. So, we've got a little stock heatsink. Most people say that they're more of a paperweight than an actual heatsink, but I'm sure it'll be fine because he's not doing any overclocking. Already thermal grease applied, so let's put the processor in. Take this, and I believe Edgar should do the honors. So
I'm holding the camera here.
Or not. That works. So careful not to bend. Actually, just inspect. Looks all good. Looks good. Then we just drop it in. Alright. Then we lock it down.
I want to lock it down.
Oh, you're a little late. Alright.
But there it is. The AMD Phenom II X6.
1045T. Alright, there we go. Now all we do... Oh, come on.
Want me to do this?
Yeah, you're a pro at this. Ho 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 ho. So as soon as we put down the camera, the heatsink is all set. I'll just reroute this wire. Alright, and that's our PC. Let's try it out. You ready? Turn the key. Yo, yes! Yes! Yes!
That's about it for this video. The computer works, so that's the most important thing. So thankfully it works. All the parts work. Actually, the fan didn't work at first, so I could have overheated some, but we caught that and got that working again. Currently editing a video on the computer, and editing before compared to editing now, there's no comparison. Editing now is so much smoother with the new 6-core processor. So I think the upgrade was very useful, and thankfully I am back into making videos. Not making videos for 2 weeks kind of sucked, but now I'm back in business. Thanks to Keron for helping me out in building it. Links will be in the description, as well as my computer specs, which will be updated if I ever do another upgrade. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later.